Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for December 9, 2020. If you look at the SBY daily chart, so today the market they push it back up, they couldn't go higher after they make the all-time high, so they push back down. So they give you a bearish formation here. So the market be able to break out the resistance here, so right now they hit to the top. So the question is, what they are going to do next. So right now we're looking for the level here. It used to be a resistance, now it should be hold up at a strong support. The market is still in the uptrend, however they run out of gas, so they need, sometimes they run out too fast and they need to pull back down to retest where they broken out. So right now two levels we look at right now. First of all, that the 364.38 level, which is the pivot resistance level here. So that's one line. The second line, which is the level here when the market is gap up, they tend to pull back and retest the gap. So between those lines will be a strong support for the bull. Okay, so let's see how the market is doing, and then we will analyze and let you know where they're heading to. So in the short term, you see that the market has run up and then they pull back down, and then they right now it's a big gap here. Okay, and this is the pivot resistance now become a support. So let's see where they're going to be able to hold up before they can get some reversal. So overall trend is still bullish, but in the short term the market in the correction. So we have to be a little bit watch out, okay, to control our stop loss. Okay, for those stocks that they cannot survive, then you have to get out, take the profit, and before you can initiate the new position on the long side. Okay, so that's for the stock market. Now look at the E-mini SP 500. So you can see that this morning after the market run up in our live trading room, we're already warning our member that the market they're going to pull back down after they roll over and then they drop and then they bow back a couple times to the support. They couldn't do it and they continue to put back down to level of support here. So right now they have a strong sell up here. So let's see the market be able to hold up, or they push it back up and then come down before they can reversal for the Christmas rally. Okay, so that's what the market look like right now in our live trading room. When the market open, we know that the market is, they go sideways between this level here. So we know that when they break this level, the market will continue to the downside. So when market is pushed back down right into our support, so when the market open, the people take a quick scalp here for 5 points, and they take another long short here for 10 points. So total it's $750 for 15 point total per one contract on the year. And after that, market they bow back up, they come back, they retest where they break down, and then after that, during the long time, the market continue to show up to break multiple level of support here, and then they continue to the downside until the end of the day, and then they be able to find a way to push it back up. So the question here is how far they put back up. We have multiple level of resistance here, and then we have to monitor to see what the market doing, okay, before we can see tomorrow how the market is going to do here. They push it back up here, and then they roll over again, or they will break down, break up this line and continue to the upside. We will see by tomorrow. Okay, all right. So that's what we have. So today I after get out live trading room, I jump in, take a quick trade, but the resistance is too close. So you take a quick scalp for $328 and stay outside, and then looking for more opportunity for those stocks that drop fast, so we can find more opportunity to get in for the long swing trade. Okay, so if you look at the a lot of stock that you know it's still doing well, even this one here. Okay, they put it back up today, market drop, but they still hang strong there. So let's see tomorrow they be able to hold up at this level, or they will reverse tomorrow. It depends on the market. The oil sector also pull back a little bit, but they still hang very tight. Okay, OXY. Okay, they still hold up at this level. So a very important level. By tomorrow we see it. The market give it a dozy. So let's see if tomorrow if the green candle will continue. Otherwise, we have to watch out more carefully. so that as long as it's still uptrend, we will stick with it until they revert and break the uptrend support. Semiconductor also get some profit taking today. It's like MXIM, okay, like Maxim. People take some profit after they hit, the home run here. Like one in they are a little bit extended already, so they have to take some profit before they can turn around. And the technology software stock is still doing well, even though they pull back down a little bit today. So like Apple, okay, APPF, okay, they hit the resistance, so they get stuck there. So they still fight the way to break it out, but they probably go sideways a little bit to build some momentum before they can take up. BANW, that's another strong stock. They take some profit also. But overall trend is still bullish though. But in the short term, we will see it a lot of stock that people try to take in profit, and then they will find a way to put it back up for the Christmas rally. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So if you would like to learn how to understand financial market, how to read the chart by using modern technical analysis, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. We have a video there for you to watch so that you can see how we trade. And every day in our live trading room, if you are a member of expert trading group, every day that people in our live trading room, we make a live call for the day trading so that people can make some quick money. And then we analyze a lot of stuff, for people that anything that before they want to buy, they can analyze the chart. So we analyze together, make sure everybody in the same page before they can take a trade. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.